which moves a special part of the tracks called the points. And that lets our engine and its carriage puff from this track onto this track, like this. And there goes
Ellie, can you get that? Oh, you see that.
It's making good time, but there's still a little way to go. So while our little engine puffs, let's see what the big engines are up to.
Are you getting blown away?
Time for a story. It was a beautiful day on the island of Soda. The sun was shining and the birds were singing. Thomas had worked hard all
Come
day.
here, Lincoln. Hey, Lincoln.
He tooted happily to the children as he chucked back the Fiddler's shed. Sir Topham Hatt was waiting. He had an important special.
This afternoon,
Ellie.
specials
Ellie.
for the children at the library. I need an engine to collect the new storybooks from Maithwaite Station and take them to the library.
Thomas wished his hardest that he would be given the special.
Can you come get it?
Listening to stories with the children was his favorite thing to do.
Come here, Lincoln. Can you help me?
Deliver the special. Make sure the books
Oh, you're spitting up.
Thomas was excited.
Yes, sir.
Gross.
And Thomas chuffed cheerfully away.
Wow.
Thomas puffed fast along the tracks.
I mustn't be late for story time. I'll chuff and I'll puff